Since its debut as a 2022 model, the Hyundai IONIQ 5 SUV has frequented our 10 Best, Editor's Choice, and EV of the Year awards lists. It's attractively styled, value-packed, priced right, and fun to drive. In short, it's an EV SUV that's easy to love. Single and dual motor powertrains are available, with outputs ranging from 168 horsepower to 320 ponies. A high-performance IONIQ 5N is also offered that boasts 641 horsepower and handling to match, but we review that model separately. The driving range is decent, with the most efficient model estimated to deliver around 325 miles per charge. But if you want the more powerful 320 HP version, you'll find yourself charging more frequently. Luckily, the IONIQ 5's charging times on a DC fast charger are among the quickest in the industry. So juicing up on road trips is easier and requires less waiting than with many other EVs. Its stylish interior is comfortable, tech-heavy, and more spacious than rivals such as the Ford Mustang Mach-E and Volkswagen ID.4. The IONIQ 5 is one of those rare automobiles that fulfills its mission comprehensively, delivering a wealth of strengths but no significant weaknesses. What's new for 2025? Although it looks much the same as last year's model, the IONIQ 5 receives meaningful changes for 2025. The larger of the two available battery packs grows in capacity from 77.4 kilowatt-hours to 84.0 kilowatt-hours, which Hyundai says improves the SUV's range. By how much? We don't yet know. Last year's model had a maximum EPA estimated range of 303 miles, but it's possible this change could push the IONIQ 5's longest range model to about 325 miles per charge. A sporty-looking N-Line model joins the lineup this year, which wears unique 20-inch wheels, side skirts, and interior enhancements such as metal pedal covers, a sporty N-Line steering wheel, and upholstery with red stitching. All models benefit from updated front and rear bumper styling, a slightly larger rear spoiler, and a rear windshield wiper, a feature previously absent and badly needed to keep rear visibility from being entirely obscured when driving in rain or snow. The interior sees a few changes too, namely in the center console where the wireless smartphone charging pad has been relocated to the top panel, and a new bank of buttons provides quicker access to frequently used features such as the heated seats and heated steering wheel. The infotainment system has been upgraded to the latest version, and several new driver assistance features join the roster, including a more advanced lane keeping assist system and a side impact collision avoidance feature. The IONIQ 5's interior is a tech-savvy space with a digitized dashboard and a heavy dose of eco-friendly materials. A head-up display with augmented reality that can project navigation directions on the windshield is just one fanciful feature. The compact crossover also takes advantage of its all-electric packaging, with a completely flat floor for maximum passenger and cargo space. The front seats also recline and incorporate footrests, which will let folks relax while the IONIQ 5 is charging. With a wheelbase that's longer than the three-row Hyundai Palisade, the 5 has ample front and rear seat passenger room. Its large center console has lots of storage space, and on top-spec limited trims, it slides back and forth between the front seats. We also managed to fit 6 carry-on bags behind the back seats, 20 with the seat back stowed. For reference, the hybrid Hyundai Tucson compact SUV can fit 22. Hyundai says the IONIQ sub-brand emphasizes connected living, and the IONIQ 5 has a host of innovative infotainment and connectivity features. A 12.0-inch touchscreen shares a panel on the dash with a 12.0-inch digital gauge cluster, but the former acts as a hub for all things entertainment. This includes voice recognition software as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Unfortunately, Apple and Android smartphone integration requires wires. The IONIQ 5 has an electric-only powertrain that's available in multiple potencies. The standard range battery paired with a single rear-mounted electric motor generates 168 horsepower. With the longer range battery, the rear drive configuration generates 225 horsepower. But the all-wheel drive version is much more powerful, with 320 horses. The IONIQ 5 we drove demonstrated a smooth ride on a variety of road surfaces, and its wide fore and ebb tires combined with a low center of gravity made it feel athletic when zigging and zagging. We only wish its steering provided more feedback and the suspension was a smidge firmer. With the standard 58.0 kWh battery pack, the IONIQ 5 is estimated to provide 220 miles of range. The larger 84.0 kWh pack is new this year and hasn't been rated by the EPA yet. We suspect that this new, larger battery will push the IONIQ 5's maximum driving range to about 325 miles per charge with the single-motor rear-wheel drive powertrain. When it comes to charging, Hyundai says the larger battery can be replenished from 10 to 80% in around 18 minutes when plugged into a DC fast charger. They also said it can add 68 miles in about 5 minutes. We tested this claim and confirmed that the IONIQ 5 can indeed be charged this quickly. The EPA hasn't released fuel economy estimates for the 2025 IONIQ 5 yet. Last year's model was rated as high as 132 MPGe city and 98 MPGe highway. When we get a chance, we'll take the IONIQ 5 on our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route and update this story with real-world test results. For more information on the IONIQ 5's fuel economy, visit the EPA website. A suite of driver assistance technology is standard on every model, but the IONIQ 5 can also be had with more advanced tech, including an adaptive cruise control system with a lane centering feature. For more information about the IONIQ 5's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and HTSA and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety IIHS websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature. Hyundai provides one of the best warranty plans in the industry. Likewise, it comes with an impressive amount of complimentary scheduled maintenance. Limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. Battery is covered for 10 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.
9. Received the Motor Week Driver's Choice Best EV Award for 2024. Last year, the 2023 Kia F6 also received the